Hi, this is Salman Qadir. I have been endorsed as the exceptional talent by Technician UK, and I was awarded with the Global Talent title. I'm amongst the very few individuals who got this title so far. I've got over 17 years of experience in infrastructure, applications, database, integrations, information security, you name it. I've got reverse like exposure and rich experience. One of the biggest projects I worked was where I led the implementation, integration, and certification of more than 20 banks and 5 telecoms on an in-house built platform where I played the critical role in architecting the distributed architecture and design of that middleware payment gateway. This initiative was led by the central bank, which impacted more than 11 million people. I also have experience of implementing PCI DSS, PADSS, ISO 27001, HIPAA, ITIL. I secured 100% in ITIL as well, and I implemented the same various organizations as well. I've done multiple cloud migrations from on-prem to cloud to various cloud providers, including Fastsource, Contado, Black Knight from Ireland, Azure, AWS. I've got extensive experience with Linux and open source technologies, Linux clusters, high availability solutions. I have tuned Linux clusters and Linux kernel parameters for high throughput applications and resource intensive applications. Talk about email deliverability. I have set up the sending infrastructure for more than 30 times for 15 organizations from scratch, which included multiple instances of postfix load balanced with HA proxy. For one of my clients, I built 20 postfix instances which were load balanced using HA proxy. The main reason you want to have your own sending infrastructure in place is because ESPs like Amazon SES or MailChimp, they will block you and they won't give you any reason, and even if you feel that you weren't actually doing anything wrong. So having your own infrastructure in place allows you to have firm grip and control and insights. You get from control on your logs. You can exactly see what's happening, who blocked you, why you got rejected, who blocked you. So the main reason to have your own infrastructure in place is because then you have firm control and insights as to what's happening. You exactly know the reason why you're being blocked. You exactly know why, what went wrong, who blocked you, why your IP got blocked, what was the reason behind that. Building your own infrastructure has its own pros and cons, I mean, it takes time, it's a slow process, you have to warm your IPs, it takes more than 6 months or a year to warm your IPs, so that's the thing. But in the long run, it's beneficial if you have long-term plans. You have to make sure that you apply SPF, DKIM, DMARC, PTR, RDNS records, and all these authentications, and TLS 1.3 for instance. But even if you apply all these things, there's still chances that you may get blacklisted, because it's not that simple anymore. Because previously it used to be just IP blocking thing, where if you would send a lot of emails from single source, they would simply block the IP. But then people came up with an alternate solution. They started having multiple IPs and they started sending the same sort of email and content with different IP. But then Gmail came up with the Google Magic filter back in 2017. So what it does is effectively observe the sending pattern, and then if it finds the same content is coming from different IPs, the content is being repeated again and again, and it's the same subjects, the same URL and everything. So that's when they find that it's something unusual, and they're gonna still block it, even if you're sending it from a different domain or different IP. So I mean, the IP rotation or domain rotation doesn't work anymore now. So you have to be more careful. You have to craft your strategies properly. You have to manipulate a lot of things now. You have to continuously monitor your practices and evaluate and manipulate your sending pattern, your sending strategies. You have to mix and match contents, domains. What I can offer you is I can build a sending infrastructure of your own for you, where you can host as many domains as you want. You can host as many subdomains as you want. You can even act as an ESP if you want to. You can sell email services to other people as well if you want to. But you have to understand that it's a long process. You have to warm your infrastructure. You have to warm your IPs, and it usually takes more than 6 months or in a year normally.